All right. Okay. Hi, I'm Elaine Margaritas,
I'm Faraz Chaudhry.
and we teach Project Lead the Way.
Project Lead the Way is a hands-on program that inspires aha moments and drives collaboration with the students. Students will engage in Project Lead the Way's activities for designing and modeling and doing some engineering projects.
Project Lead the Way Gateway fuels students' passion for discovery as they engage in hands-on, collaborative problem solving focused on real-world challenges. Students use it to stretch their imaginations in brand new ways and connect to their learning in life.
So throughout the trimester, we'll be looking at the design process for how products are designed and made. We'll do some sketching practice, some 3D sketching, and then that will go into modeling.
Yes, and children will learn by using Tinkercad, will learn how to do 3D solid modeling and print their own objects.
And then in the end, we'll design some real world objects like some therapeutic toys and, you know, 3D print some of the creations we've made in our computer models.
And that'll conclude our 12-week trimester of Project Lead the Way. Thank you for joining us.